So for her exercise prescription, I would just write a short few ideas for her to get involved with other people. In conclusion, Miss MD will eventually want to be able to increase her heart rate reserve. A good way to work up this intensity could be riding bikes with her children. For example, she could start by going on short leisure rides, maybe around the neighborhood, and progressing to more intense bike trails, maybe through the woods or at a local park. This could be a great way to increase her heart rate reserve and also spend time with her children. In prescribing exercise to clients in a special population group, depression can be a very common illness to work with. So for my take-home message, I really hope everybody understands how intense and hard it can be for those suffering from depression to reach out and get help, as well as begin exercising, which is an amazing effective way to treat depression. As you have seen throughout the project, there are many things that can benefit while working with those in depression, and mostly just being educated on what people feel and being able to relate and help them through this time and to find themselves again and the happiness that is within a healthy lifestyle and exercising. That is all. Here are my references. Thank you.